Okay, guys.
Go down unnecessary stairs, so just go.
Huh?
Just go. We are here. I don't want to go downstairs, but I don't have to.
Where's the... Okay, guys. So today... Morgan! Where's the tent? Oh, I think I found it. I found it. Alright, guys. So today I'm going to go around the block. We're in this, like, fire truck tent thing. And it's going to be like a prank. See how people react. I once went around the block with the bunny costume. People kept staring at me. These people laughed at me. It was rude. Alright. So, here's some of my camera people. This is Morgan. And then Anna. Anna, that's the other camera person. So, we're going to go around the block with this fire truck thing.
And if you're walking and we're riding, we're not going to go fast.
We film? No, I'll film inside the tent. Tell me how, like, people...
Wait, can I get this on Snapchat really quick?
Go ahead. Wait till I get in this.
I'm going to get on Snapchat when we get back.
Alright, guys. Why does it say butt on it? Anna, did you write butt on the tent?
No.
Then who wrote butt?
Oh, come on. This is a legendary tent. Someone can't do that.
It was Anna.
I'm sorry. What? Okay, come on, get in.
Hello. We're going on a trip in our favorite fire truck, zooming through the block. Big red fire truck. The dog is barking at me. That's so rude of him. Okay. Guys, I need some help. All right, guys. Oh, look, there's a car coming. Hi. I'm a fire truck, guys. I just fell. It'd work better if someone was in the back. Hey, that's the neighbors. So we're just walking, and I'm gonna get some people's reactions. If any people have any reactions, because I don't know how this is gonna work. Is there someone in there? This is really normal. People are supposed to be recording me. Alright, my feet are getting scraped up by this part. Alright. We're gonna go all the way around the block. Which is kind of long, but... Ow! It hurts! No, we're going all the way around.
No, you're too slow.
Okay, I'll go fast.
Here, I'll record. I'm not going all the way around.
Yeah, record that.
No, I'm not.
All the way around.
I can't stand. No! I'm not going all the way around. Here, Maggie, take it. I can't deal with her. Oh my gosh. She's literally running in a fire truck tent. Maggie! I hit a bump. No, I hit a bump. Students. Oh, jeez. She's insane. She's literally insane. Oh, there's construction ahead. Detour. Me. Remember that one time we went in the street and we didn't tell Grandma? Oh my gosh, I can't ride this. I'm having trouble. There's literally people outside. She's making fire sound. There's people outside. Now she's running. Oh man. She's making finally caught off with the fire truck.
Like we go one more time. Like literally, I can't. Like,
I can't keep recording this.
how do you feel about this?
I think she's insane. How do you feel? It's so funny when she runs. I can't. I'm gonna fall. I can't keep recording this. We're going down a big hill and she's right in the car.
Oh, I thought you dropped the phone.
No, I got it.
Gee, you should have a fault count on here for me.
Maggie, you should have a fall count on here because I keep falling. Maggie. She tripped. I fell again. Jeez.
This isn't easy recording. I'm trying to scooter.
Oh man, your truck pulled it up.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, she's all the way up there.
I keep falling.
Oh man, here she goes again.
Oh jeez.
Oh my gosh! Oh man, there's a car going. She's absolutely crazy. Why me? Yes, I keep falling. Yeah,
See ya. There's more people out. Because people they can see my beautiful fire truck. Squirrel!
now she's running again. Fire truck on the run. Why is this happening? Do I know? No. Well, we practically made it all the way around the block with you as a fire truck. How do you feel? How do you feel?
I feel like a fire truck.
You're You can't do that to me. Well, we made it. All the way around the block with you as a fire truck. You feel accomplished? Can you like cross this off your bucket list now?
Legends of bellow.
Wow, that was embarrassing.
That was crazy.
I feel I feel embarrassed for you. Move. Get out of my face. Just a small fire truck wanting to be a girl. She went all the way around the block dressed as a fire truck. Wait, the American flag.
Morgan! Thanks for watching. Bye!